A rise in COVID-19 cases continues to impact travel as people head home for the holidays. Hundreds of flights have been canceled, with many airlines pointing to staffing shortages because of COVID-19.
Jess Arnold joins us live from Reagan National Airport this morning to check in on where travel stands. Jess, how's it looking?
Yeah, well, you can see that crowds are already filling in here this morning. We're seeing more delays and cancellations. We've been checking in with the flight tracker called Flight Aware, and as of just about 15 minutes ago, Dulles Airport was seeing 8 cancellations. Here at Reagan, they had 5 cancellations, so that's increased just in the last hour. And nationally, it's been going up all morning. Right now, we're over 700 cancellations with flights into, going out, or within the United States. Now, as we're talking about this, some of the biggest airlines to cancel are Delta, United, and JetBlue. They've blamed the Omicron variant for staffing shortages that have forced the cancellations. Now, cases have really been increasing in our area as people have scrambled to find those tests. In D.C., public health data shows that the weekly case rate is close to 1,200 per 100,000 as of Wednesday, as opposed to a little more than just 100 a month ago. Now, Virginia's dashboard shows cases have increased in December. And in Maryland, on Christmas Day, the state showed a 7-day moving average case rate of about 100, as opposed to only about 15 a month ago. Now, the cases caused some people to stay home instead, as others dealt with delays as they tried to reach their destinations. But when it comes to travel, Dr. Fauci said he would welcome a vaccine mandate for airline passengers, but that current precautions do make flying pretty safe.
I mean, I think if you look at wearing a mask and the filtration on planes, things are reasonably safe. We want to make sure people keep their masks on. I think the idea of taking masks off, in my mind, is really not something we should even be considering. But that's what we meant by it depends on what the goal of getting people vaccinated before they get on a domestic flight.
Now, if you're going to be flying at all, make sure you're checking those COVID testing requirements. For a lot of international flights, many airlines are requiring a negative COVID test. And of course, you're going to have to keep these masks on for the foreseeable future. Guys.
All right, Jess Arnold, thanks for that latest update. We'll check back in shortly.